Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a makeup haul. So this haul is going to contain drugstore products as well as some high-end products which I ordered like 2-3 months back. I got them 2-3 months back, and I have purchased few stuff from Nykaa also, which I will be sharing in this video, but I have not purchased everything in one go. So this is like a purchase from months which I'm sharing in this video because it's been a long time since I did a makeup haul. So I'll be starting with the drugstore products. The first product that I got is the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Micellar Water. I wanted to try a micellar water with, except from Garnier because I have already used it, and it mentioned it is for sensitive skin. So I really thought I should give it a try. As you can see, it is kind of full. I've used it only once or twice till now, so I can't really give a review, but I'll definitely share a review if you will want. And I think it is a good thing too. My skin doesn't feel oily after using this. Let's see how it goes in future. So the next two products are from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. I really like the packaging. I was really impressed by the packaging. That is the reason I bought it. But to be honest, I don't like the kind of spray it gives. It has a nozzle over here, okay? So it gives you it gives a very sharp kind of a spray on the face, which we don't want to fix our makeup. So I don't like that thing about this. Otherwise, I would not recommend this product to you. If you're looking for something like for a makeup setting spray, you can definitely go for something else, but I would not recommend this. Also, it has a very strong kind of a smell. Maybelline products are almost always my favorite, but I would not recommend this. So the next product which is from Maybelline is my favorite. I have been using it from a really long time. I really like to use loose powders to set the face. I don't like to use compacts. So this is the one I got. This is the Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio, and this is a new launch also. Like at that time it was a new launch. All the product prices will be mentioned in the description box, you can check that out. So this is how it looks like. It looks very less in quantity, but trust me, you need very less of this product. I absolutely love it. It sets the makeup beautifully. Today also I have used it. It looks white on the packaging, like can you see that? It looks white, but trust me, it doesn't leave any white cast when you apply it to set your face. So I would highly recommend this loose powder to you guys if you're looking for a good setting spray. If you're watching me from a long time, you must be aware that PSC is one of my most favorite brand in Indian cosmetics, in Indian market. So I got this eyebrow kit from PSC. I have used it today, and this is how it looks like. This retails for $7.95, but I got it on discount on 20%. PSC was running a sale of 20%, so I got this during that time. The best thing about this product is that these two are gel and these two are powder, and it gives a beautiful brush also. I have kept another brush also in the kit. So I think this is a great eyebrow palette. I would highly recommend this. And because gel, if you do your eyebrows with the gel, your eyebrows don't move, but you need to be very precise and you need to practice how to do that. So I really like this product. The packaging is amazing. It has a PAC logo like every PAC product has, so I really love it. The next thing that I got from PSC is this triangular sponge. I really wanted to try them from the longest time. I already have their beauty blenders and they work really fine. So I got these, and I also got their mini beauty blenders, which are great for blending your under eye area and your areas around nose. So I got these two blenders from PSC. Next two products are face washes. I wanted to buy some face washes also, so I bought this during the products that I'm showing you. Most of the products from Nykaa I bought from the recent Hot Pink sale. So this is the Aroma Magic Blossom Couture face wash. I really love it. I have used it earlier also. I got it in a PR in a smaller tube. I really love it. It has some fine granules also. And this is the one which I got. It is White Tea Chamomile Face Wash, and the second one which I got, which I have not even opened, is the Strawberry Face Wash. So I would highly recommend these face washes. These are very gentle on your skin. I really love it. I absolutely love it. And this is for all skin types, and this is also for all skin types. So that is the best part. You can definitely give them a try. They are very affordable as well, and you don't need a lot of product from these. Just apply a little bit and you are good to go. So from Nykaa, whenever I shop, I always end up buying some nail paint. So this time I bought two, and this is a beautiful lavender shade. It is from Blue Heaven, and the shade number is 2020. Absolutely love this. It looks stunning. If you are looking for a pastel shade, please go ahead and buy it. You will love it. And the next one is the one which I am applied today. This is the green shade, and it has a very nice shine also. The purple one with the lavender one, this has a matte shine, like it dries down matte, but it has a shine. This is from the brand I heard first time. I saw it on Nykaa for the very first time. This is TS Nail Enamel. This is how the packaging looks like. This is very affordable. I think it costed me 68 or 70 bucks only after discount, and they have great range, like amazing shade range. So I really like it, and I would recommend this one for sure. Now moving on to the international products, the high-end products that I got from US. So I'm super excited for that part. I hope you all are too. So the very first thing is the Anastasia Contour Kit Light to Medium. This is my dream palette. Being a professional makeup artist, I really wanted to have this in my vanity, and finally I have got this thanks to my brother Utkarsh, who got this for me. So this is how it looks like from inside. Okay, so it is not focusing as of now. These three shades are for contour, and these shades you can use under your eyes. This is an amazing palette, great for Indian skin type. Absolutely love it. This is my most favorite possession till now, I would say. And the next thing I got from Anastasia is the set of this liquid lipsticks from Anastasia, and I got this like it has three shades. It has one nude shade, which is this is the shade Hudson, which is I'm wearing today, and these are the three shades. They have mentioned the name Hudson, and two more shades are there. I'm really sorry, I can't read the name, my eyes are really weak. So yeah, this is the liquid lipstick, but I felt it is very drying on the lips. When I applied it, it felt very drying. I don't know, these are very highly raved product from Anastasia, but yeah, I'll use it. It feels very comfortable as of now. It's been almost half an hour I have applied it, and it feels very comfortable. But when I was applying the lipstick, it was feeling very drying, and I really like the shade also. So the next product is a repurchase, and so this is the MAC Stroke Cream that I got, and absolutely love this. If you are someone who doesn't do a lot of makeup, or you want one quality product in your vanity, I would highly recommend go for MAC Stroke Cream. It is amazing. It is such a beautiful product. It works as a primer as well. It gives a glow to your base. Absolutely love it. So this is in the shade, I can't see the shade, but this is Pink Light. There is a pink logo, as you can see, but for Indian skin tone, mostly the red light shade comes in this, which is very suitable, so you can go ahead for that also. And so this is my favorite. This is a repurchase. And the last product for today is this MAC Fix Prep and Prime. I really wanted to try this from a longest time. I already have a lot of setting sprays, but I wanted to try this out, this cutie. I really like it. I have used it today. It feels very refreshing, and I bought the small variant. This is only, I think, 15 ml or something. So this is how tiny the packaging. It's very convenient, and really love it. MAC products are amazing for sure. So this was all in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I did a makeup haul after ages. I don't even remember when I did the last makeup haul. And if you like this video, if you find it helpful, or if you are watching me for the very first time, please do consider subscribing. You can click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell, so that whenever I update a new video, you are notified instantly. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.